In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Fonts in Dreamweaver. First, we'll choose the font. Head over to the Google Fonts website at fonts.google.com. You can browse by categories like serif, sans serif, or display, or simply use the search bar to find something specific, such as Roboto or Open Sans. When you see a font you like, click the plus icon to select it. A panel will open on the right. In that panel, pick only the styles and weights you actually need, like regular, italic, or bold. Keeping your selection lean helps pages load faster because each extra weight is an additional file. Next, copy the embed code. In the same panel, you'll see an embed or use section that provides a link tag. This is the line of code that tells your page where to load the font from. Copy that link tag. Now switch to Dreamweaver and open your site or project. Open the HTML file where you want to use the new font. If you prefer a clear view of the code, switch to Code View, or use Split View to see both code and design. Locate the head section of your HTML document, the part between the opening and closing head tags, and paste the link tag you copied from Google Fonts right there. Placing it in the head ensures the font is loaded before the page renders. If your site uses a template or a master layout, add the link tag once in that file so all dependent pages get the font automatically. After the embed link is in place, reference the font in your CSS. You can do this in a style block in the HTML head or, ideally, in an external CSS file. Use the exact font family name shown by Google Fonts. For example, set your base typography with something like Body uses the chosen Google font followed by a generic fallback, such as sans serif. Including a fallback ensures your text remains readable if the custom font can't load. If you selected specific weights, like 400 for regular and 700 for bold, make sure your CSS reflects that, using font weight values that match what you enabled on Google Fonts. That's it. By selecting the font on Google Fonts, embedding the link tag in your HTML head, and referencing the font family in your CSS, your pages will render with the new typography. Keep your font choices simple and your weight selections intentional to maintain performance, and you'll have a clean, consistent look across your site.